This video is going to show you how to open up an image. So I just want to show you how to basically set it up when you first do. So you simply go to File, Open, you find your image, and you open it up. You see I've opened an image here. All right, so the first thing I do, and I haven't shown you selection yet, but it doesn't matter, and I haven't shown you layers yet, but the first thing you do when you open up a new image, always, is go to Select, All, and copy and paste it. You can do that by Control-C, Control-V. You can go to File, Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. All that happened is I have taken my image and put it on a new layer. I'm going to explain layers in a different video, but you never, ever want to work from this background layer. It doesn't do a lot of stuff. It's locked by default. So just know that you don't want to use it. You always want to work from a separate layer. So you can hide it if you need to. If you don't want to see it there, it doesn't matter. But so that would be if I was erasing and I still saw my image. But just know when you open up an image and you want to work with it, the first thing you do is go to Select, All, Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, so that I'm not working on background layer. That's the only rule I want to go through. I just wanted you to know that, so when you open up an image, you know not to work from the background layer. Always work from a different one. Thank you.